We are given to understand mango politics now has erupted between Andhra and Karnataka. Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah has taken up the plight of Karnataka mango farmers with Andhra Chief Minister. This comes after Karnataka Chief Secretary had written to Andhra Pradesh government over the problems to farmers in Karnataka because of the ban on Totapuri mangoes into this state. All right, my colleague Uma Sudhir will also be joining us on the broadcast. First, let's listen in to what State Minister Ramalinga Reddy has to say on this.
What do you make of, the Chief Minister, the Chief Secretary writing over Totapuri mangoes not being allowed into Chittoor?
We are in federal system. He should not do like that. Being Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, and he is not a new Chief Minister. 30 years back he was Chief Minister. He must withdraw that order. Because farmers, we are in border, particularly Srinivaspur and other districts, other taluks, we grow more mangoes. He must allow. He must allow. Otherwise, our government should start new factories, juice factories.
And what are you going to do now, sir? As you
I don't know. Our horticulture minister and agriculture minister, they may raise the issue in cabinet today.
All right, my colleague Uma Sudhir as well as Deepak Bopanna joining us on the broadcast here. Uma, take us through the details. What is this trouble about, the mango politics that's now erupted between Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka?
So the Totapuri mango produce happens in the months of June and July, and the production happens in not just the Chittoor district of Andhra Pradesh, but produce also comes in from Vellore in Tamil Nadu and Srinivasapuram, which is the Kolar district of Karnataka. And now the Karnataka Chief Minister has written to the Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister, pointing to what he calls an order that was issued by the Chittoor collector, stopping the Totapuri mangoes from coming into Andhra Pradesh because the processing units are there. I have spoken to the collector of Chittoor, and he has clarified that he has issued no such order, that he is not even competent to do that, because no collector can actually stop interstate trade of any kind of commodities, and he has not issued any such orders. And there is also a reference in this particular letter to officials from the revenue, police, forest and marketing departments being deployed in the interstate check post, and the collector has said that there is no such deployment at all that has happened. What he has pointed out is that, yes, there is a glut in the mango production this year. It happens every alternate year. 2023 there was a glut, and 2025 again there is a glut. What Andhra Pradesh government has done is to provide a support price of 4 rupees for every kg of Totapuri mango, and the purchaser has to pay 8 rupees. Whereas in the states of Karnataka and Tamil Nadu, there seems to be no such support price. There is a debate, I understand, in Karnataka to provide support price to the mango as well. But international demand as well as industry demand, which is the major consumers of this mango, both of that has declined this year, and therefore there is a glut in the market, and therefore the situation which seems to have kind of escalated the tensions between Congress government in Karnataka and an NDA government in Andhra Pradesh. But officials that I have been speaking to in Andhra Pradesh say they have no intention at all to escalate the tension. They do understand that there is robust trade relations and other kinds of relationships between the two states, and therefore they are saying they are doing nothing at all to stop produce coming in from Karnataka into Andhra Pradesh or the other way around. Matter of concern is that the Chief Minister had referred to a threat to cooperative federalism.
Let me go across to Deepak as well. Deepak, what's the demand that's being raised by Karnataka?
Measures.
Like Uma was pointing out there is an issue as far as MSP here is concerned for mango producers. There was a protest as well that was held yesterday because, this time the produce is much higher than, the last year. And right now they need a platform to sell, especially with Chittoor having a well-established, pulp processing unit. A lot of reliance for the Karnataka farmers is on, sending the mangoes there. What I'm learning as well from the border areas is that there is local pressure from the local, elected representatives there who are trying to back the farmers from their district, from their state, because there is, of course, a large amount of production that has happened or produced from Andhra Pradesh as well. As of now, this is the second, communication that has gone in officially from government channels. Earlier, it was the Chief Secretary. Now it's the Chief Minister himself writing to the Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister. He's saying that, in a federal system, this is not right. He's also saying that this could invite a retaliatory, measures. Now, the Karnataka cabinet is right now sitting. Two issues could be discussed. One is the MSP for, mango farmers. The other is how to deal with this issue with
Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka.